Summer is here, and what better way to celebrate this wonderful event than with a fresh, delicious, and easy to prepare summer salad. Let's go! If you've seen any of my other videos and you decided to come back for more, then I assume that you are finding some value in them. If that's the case, please bless me with your kindness by subscribing to the channel, as it helps me grow and become better. In return, I promise to bring you higher value content each time. Thank you very much. The ingredient list is made up of household staples, and they are 2 medium tomatoes, and here I would like to take a second and mention that if you can get them from a farmer's market or a clean source like your own garden, backyard, windowsill planter, this would be best. They will actually taste like tomatoes instead of plastic. And never run away from those that are blemished, bruised, or touched by a bug. Think about it like this: if a bug wants to eat it, it means that it's clean and not sprayed with a million chemicals to keep it pristine, but at what cost? Okay, I'll move on. After that, you'll need a small yellow onion, or any onion color you prefer, a medium cucumber, a medium red bell pepper, or if you like other colors, that's good as well. Lastly, you'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. White wine or spirit vinegar would be best. In the tool department, we will need a large bowl and spoon, a chopping board, and a sharp knife. Prep-wise, we need to wash all the vegetables, peel the onion, and then take the seeds out of the pepper. I don't have a magic technique when it comes to taking the seeds out of the bell pepper. I just do it in the easiest and quickest way I know how. But I would like to mention that a lot of the times the seeds in these bell peppers are viable and can be planted to grow more peppers. And if you don't have a garden or a windowsill planter where you can try to grow them yourself, just plant the seeds in a green space in town or in a park somewhere sunny, where nature can do its thing and nurse these seeds and bring the miracle of life to fruition. It's called guerrilla planting if you're interested. The making of this salad is very simple. Just cut the veggies into pieces that are small or large enough to satisfy your eating habits. The only one I would advise you to dice small is the onion. I've tried this salad with veggies cut in multiple kinds of sizes and it's delicious, fresh, and pleasant each time. For me, this salad signifies the beginning of summer and the long-awaited full sun after 6 or even 7 months of cold, frost, rain, and snow. Nothing against them, but I just prefer the sun. Simple as that. Enough poetic sun worship. When you're done chopping the veg, add the oil, vinegar, and seasoning to the salad and mix well to ensure that all the ingredients are fully incorporated and the salad is made whole. If you didn't believe me before that this salad symbolizes summer, at this point you will understand why. The sweet smell of the tomatoes, the refreshing aroma of the cucumbers, and the unmistakable perfume of the bell peppers will sing the summer song into all of your senses. As a kid, around lunchtime, Grandma would go to the chicken coop, grab a couple of fresh eggs, and then head out to the garden, which was close to the chicken run, and in her apron she would gather the ingredients necessary for this salad. Everything was fresh and regenerative. Something I strive and work every day to recreate in my small garden. Those were the best days of my life when Grandma would make this salad and some fresh sunny side up eggs for lunch. With a bit of homemade bread, I was full and energized for a whole day of playing outside and exploring the magical countryside I loved so much. Don't push this salad recipe aside thinking it's too simple or not fancy enough. Simple, easy, and healthy is what we forgot. And it's not too late to rediscover these recipes that kept our forefathers going for so many generations. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with others. And again, I want to thank you very much for your time, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye. Summer is here. Enjoy the summer.